I'm here at CES 2018 in Las Vegas, and I just got a really close look at my skin, like super close. So I just got to play with this product called Neutrogena Skin360 Skin Analyzer. And it's an attachment that goes on your iPhone that will essentially work with an app to take a deep, close, LED lighted look at your skin and recommend Neutrogena products, of course, that you can try to improve, let's say, your pore size or your moisture level. It was actually a pretty cool app to use. It's pretty simple and easy. You just follow the directions on the app, which will require you to hold this up to your forehead, your cheek, and your chin. Then you're gonna see your skin super magnified as it analyzes what it sees and then tells you what you need to work on. Now with this app and the product, you can track the condition of your skin over time. But I gotta tell you, it left me feeling a little bit insecure about my skincare routine. And I'm not sure if I'm ready to really commit to Neutrogena only products. But this is a really cool tool for folks who do care about their skin, and it's only 50 bucks. Unfortunately, it's not gonna be available until this summer, and it's only for iPhones right now. But if you're a beauty guru who has an iPhone, this might be something you wanna consider.